Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out the new Too Faced Pretty Rich collection. So they did send over their entire collection for me to try out and of course share with you guys. So we're going to be doing this whole entire look minus the foundation and all of that stuff. But I have the eyeshadow palette, the glosses, and the highlighters. So I'm going to be putting those to the test. You guys will know my thoughts on the products at the end of the video. You guys are going to be seeing swatches of everything and all of that good stuff. So I don't want to spend too much time on the intro. So if you guys are wanting to see how I created this look as well as know my thoughts on this collection, then let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so this is the box of all of the goodies. But we're gonna go ahead and dig into everything. So I want to start out with the palette. So I want to do some swatches for you guys so you guys can see what, you know, they look like on my skin tone. And it's called the Diamond Light Eyeshadow Palette. I like how they package it. It's super cute. Look at that. Super cute. This is where you open it up in the front, and this is the inside. How adorable is that? Comes with a mirror. Look how pretty these shades are. I'm excited to see how they swatch. Oh yeah, glitter doesn't swatch good, but there's that. All right, that's the first row, which didn't swatch that good. Well, the glitter didn't swatch that good, but the other shades, they swatched okay. All right, this is the second row in the palette. We're gonna go right here. All right, so there's the second row. Then we have the third row. Oh, that's a pretty gold. Ooh, I like the third row. That's pretty. Can you guys see? Those are those. Then we have the last row in the palette. Right. Ooh, that one doesn't swatch good. That last shade is super, super glittery. Feels kind of weird. And this is what all of the shades look like swatched. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and create a look with the palette, and then we're gonna go ahead and play with the glosses, the highlighters as we go. And then once we get to the lips, I'll show you guys swatches of all of the glosses and then the highlighters, and then I'll show you guys the little highlighter brush, and then all of that good stuff. So we'll go ahead and create something on the eyes. I don't know what I'm gonna go for, but I kind of want to play and let me see. So I'm gonna start out with the dark burgundy shade right here. It's called Oh That's Rich, and dip my Sigma E40 into that and just put it into the crease. It's definitely darker than what I expected it to be. I'm just gonna put it right here in the crease. Yeah, it definitely looks darker than what it is inside the palette right there. But let's see. I'm actually gonna dip into the gold glitter right here and just see how this is gonna look all over the lid. Don't know how this is gonna work, but let's see. Ooh. Actually not that bad, but I may need to do like spray my brush. Actually no, I'm actually just gonna tap it because it is sticking. So yeah, I'm just gonna tap it on the lid because it is sticking, so I don't necessarily have to spray my brush. So that's kind of nice. Now what I want to do is dip into the black right here. This is like a shimmery black. It's not matte or anything like that. It has tiny silver shimmer in it. So I'm going to dip into a little bit of that and just place it right here on the outer part of the lid. Kind of tap it right in there. That just kind of smoked it out a little bit. I like it. I kind of want to go into the pink glitter and just take that and put it on the lid as well. Just a little bit of it though, because I don't know how this is going to look. But I kind of want to play with the pink glitter too, just to kind of give me more color and just more bedazzle on the lid, you know? Just place it right in here. I don't know, maybe too much glitter. Now I want to go into that same shade that we used the first time in the crease, which is this dark burgundy. Taking a small pencil shader brush and just dipping a little bit of that on the brush and taking it kind of like doing a cut crease, just dragging it into the crease. Now this really just brings the look together more. It just makes it look more, I don't know, bold. All right, that's all that I'm gonna do with the eyes for now. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put on some lashes, mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, so I finally went ahead and applied the lashes, and it really just brought the look together. It looks so much better with the lashes on. So I'm using the Bellamy lashes in the style Seeing Double. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the highlighters. So I have all three of them right here, and I'm gonna try my best to hold all three of them up so you guys can see. But these are all three of the highlighters. I'm actually going to be using this one because obviously this one looks like it would work for my skin tone. These other two are really, really light. So the lightest one is called Diamond Fire. This kind of looks like a unicorn, like the unicorn theme. It's white, it has pink, kind of like a blue shift to it. So it has several different colors. Can you guys, I don't know if you guys can see this, but can you see how it has like the white, the blue, the yellow, kind of like a weird shift to it. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it so y'all can see it on the skin. There's that. Ooh, oh wow. It looks more green than anything on the skin, well, on my skin. Then this next one is more of a pink, peachy looking color. This one is called Fancy Pink Diamond. So let's see how this one looks. Yeah, so you have more of a pink shift to that one. And then the last one is hopefully one that looks good on my skin tone because I have really high hopes for this one. But this one is your gold, rose gold / pink looking color. Is called Canary Diamond, and I'm really hoping this looks pretty on my skin. I don't know. Ooh, yeah, so that it looks more pink. I thought it was gonna be gold, but there it is right there. I'll do a close-up so you guys can see them better. So there are all of those swatched. Oh, and I also forgot to show you guys the little highlighting brush that the collection has. If it will focus, there it goes. So this is a cute little highlighting brush. Kind of has a crystal handle. Really, really cute. And then the brush is super soft. Let's see how this looks. I'm really kind of excited, kind of nervous. So we're gonna see how this looks. Ooh, that's cute. Ooh, that reminds me of the Fenty Beauty Moscow Mule highlighter, if you guys know what I'm talking about. But the color really reminds me of that shade in the Fenty Beauty highlighter. That's really cute. I like that. You know, I really do like the highlighter and I like the brush. So far, these two are probably the only two products that I really like out of all three that I use so far. But the palette, I have to keep playing with it. All right, so we're finally down to the lip glosses, which is probably gonna be my favorite part of this video because you guys know I love lip glosses. So these are all 6 of their High Shine Sparkling Lip Glosses, and I am really excited for this one. This one is in collaboration with Jordyn Woods. So she collabed with Too Faced and came out with her own little shade. I think I'm gonna be using this one in today's video, but I wanna show you guys the actual packaging of the gloss. Look how pretty that is. And it's called Social Butterfly. I'm gonna go ahead and open all the other ones so y'all can see them in action. Ooh, these are so cute. Probably not a gloss that I would wear as an everyday shade, but they're cute. I like how they package these. Super cute and girly and like princessy, you know, cute. All right, so this is all 6 of the glosses. These are all glittery glosses, so you don't really have, you know, a normal nude or like a normal matte colored gloss. All of these have glitter in them, so if you're not into glitter glosses, you may not like these. But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all 6, starting out with Jordyn's gloss. Again, this is called Social Butterfly. Ooh, it smells like cupcakes. Oh, it smells really good. So this one is Social Butterfly. So it's like a peachy color. Then this next one is a gold, kind of looks like a bronzy golden gloss. This one is in the shade Pretty Penny, which it is your bronzy colored gloss. And this next one is Raising the Roof. This one is a pink, kind of like a rose gold color. Yeah, these are really, really glittery. Really glittery. This next one is called Sunset Crush, and this is kind of like a pink, peachy color. It's like that gold, but it has a shift of pink and rose gold to it. Can't really describe it, but kind of like the highlighter that we used. So there it is, that one. Then this next one is called All the Stars. This is a white glittery gloss. It kind of has the pink glitter in it. So really, really light. Ooh, but when you swatch it, it looks purple. Can you guys see? I don't know if you guys, like if the camera is really picking that up, but there they are. And the very last one is a pretty violet color. This is in the shade 401K. It's 401K. That's actually pretty. I like that one. So far I like the first 2 and then the last one that I swatched. I'm actually gonna wear the one in collab with Jordyn because that's the one that I was most excited about. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off this lip balm that I already have on my lips. And what I'm gonna do is line my lips a little bit with my Sephora gel liner. This is in, which one is this one? Hot Sauce. This is kind of like a Your Lips But Better color. So I just wanna line the outside of my lips because they are super pigmented, as you guys can see. And these glosses are not pigmented. So this is just gonna kind of even out my lips a little bit more before we add the gloss. All right, so let's add the lip gloss. Okay, it's not, well, you can kind of feel the grittiness a little bit, but it's like, it's not too much, but you can feel a little bit of grittiness in the gloss. But this color is really cute. I love it. It's cute. All right, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So let's talk about the products that we use, starting out with the eyeshadow palette. So now I will say some of the shades in here that I use were kind of tricky, like the first shade, which was this dark burgundy shade. I didn't like how it looked super dark on the eyes. I was thinking it was gonna look like it does inside the palette, but it actually looks really, really deep and dark on the eyes. I didn't really care for that. The glitters in here, I noticed, especially with this gold, like I am actually about to hit pan on it already. So I did dig into it a lot, but I do like how I didn't have to use any glitter glue or anything like that just to get the glitter to show up on the lid. So You don't have to spray the brush, which is a good thing. It's just, I feel like I'm already about to hit pan on this gold. Like, that is crazy. But as far as the other shades that I use, like the first shade, I didn't like how it was super deep on the eyes, but they do blend out really nicely. I'll just have to keep playing with the other shades in here just to see if I can create, you know, other looks. Now this palette kind of reminds me of one of their other palettes that they have. I think it was one from a holiday collection. I forgot what it was called, but most of these shades in here, they look like repeat shades, and they do that often in some of their palettes. So this is definitely a palette that I feel like I've kind of seen before from Too Faced. Like the Too Faced Stardust palette, it kind of reminds me of that. And also another palette from like one of their holiday collections, but the shades in here definitely remind me of some of their other palettes. The glitters in here, they don't feel like some of the glitters that are in their other palettes, so this is very like, it's very different and new to me as far as like the texture of the glitter shadow. I don't think I would have purchased this personally. This is something that I probably would have just passed on, but I am glad and very thankful that I was able to receive this in PR and of course test it out and share it with you guys. But this is probably a palette I probably would not have purchased on my own, but I mean, it's cute. It is kind of bulky, so this probably wouldn't be like a good traveling palette, but it is really cute and girly. So if you're into really cute girly things, I'm pretty sure you will like this. Now going into the highlighter, the one that I use, which is in the shade Canary Diamond, I do like. I love the color. I like how it doesn't look too light. It's just a really pretty color that will be great for deeper skin tones. The other two shades are obviously way too light, but I do like the highlighter. Now, even though I didn't try out all of the glosses on the lips, I am really liking this one in collab with Jordyn Woods. The color is perfect. This is a perfect everyday color. It's not too dark, it's not too bright. It's just the perfect peachy color on the lips. I really like this. It is a little bit gritty though, I can say that. I can kind of feel the glitter in the gloss, but it's not like too much to where it feels super chunky, but I can kind of feel the glitter in the gloss. So I do like this color. And also the little brush, where is it? Yeah, right here. The cute little highlighting brush. Now, I honestly don't think I would be using this as my everyday like brush to use as a highlighter brush. This will be a nice brush to use to kind of buff out the concealer under your eyes. It is kind of like a rounded shape, so I would probably use this to kind of tap in the concealer under my eyes. Or if I want to use it to contour with, I would probably use it as that, but not so much to highlight because of the shape of it. I mean, it's super cute, but I wouldn't use this as a highlighter brush. I mean, even though the highlighter went on really nicely with it, I just would probably prefer to use this as a contour brush or just something to blend out the concealer under my eyes. But yeah, that is all that I have in the collection. Now, they did also send over their new glitter glow job mask. I have not tried this out, so kind of interested in trying this out. This is like one of those glittery masks, but I wanted to share that really quickly with you guys. But everything else in the collection I thought was really cute. It's kind of different, but at the same time it's kind of not. Like the palette looks like something that they've already came out with in the past, but as far as like the glosses, I do like them. It's just that most of the glosses I probably wouldn't wear as an everyday gloss, but the one in collab with Jordyn Woods is definitely one that I would wear as an everyday gloss. So yeah, I think that is all that I have for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you're interested in trying out any of these products from Too Faced, and if you have already tried them out, let me know your thoughts. So let's go ahead and chit chat down below in the comments. And I think that is all that I have. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs it up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.